Let's learn how to get streaks on TikTok. You can see videos in a last period on TikTok about a streaks like Snapchat have. That is a new feature which TikTok added, and if you want to have that feature, I will show you how to enable it. First thing you need to do is to check is your TikTok app updated. If is not, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Now if on this blue button write update, click on it and wait for TikTok to be updated, and when update is finished, open TikTok. Now you are on main page on TikTok, and when I'm come on my inbox you can see I don't have streaks yet. I don't have because I'm not turning on that feature. TikTok streaks works as you send to your friend a video, messages, something you want, and tell him to send something back to you, message or video, and if you don't see it then you might be cooked. Just try tomorrow. So to turn on, go on your profile by clicking on little man icon in bottom right corner of the screen. When you reach this menu, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. And that will open a pop-up menu on which you can see 5 different options, and you need to click on last one, settings and privacy. Then you are come on settings and privacy menu, on which you must scroll down to content and display section. And on that section, go on notifications option. Now when you scroll a little down you can see streaks option which is disabled. So to enable it, click on button in right side, and on that way you'll have TikTok streaks, and you are done. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.